Yachts and yacht technology is expanding at a very rapid pace. It's no longer enough to know where the electrical panel is or how to plug in the chart plotter. Today's vessels integrate state-of-the-art engineering and high-speed electronics, monitoring systems, GPS, security systems, and on and on. As a yacht sales professional, your job requires you to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies so that you can relay this information to your buyers. The Florida Yacht Brokers Association has developed an action-packed one-day yacht engineering seminar aimed at providing you with a concise and convenient way to gather the latest intelligence on engineering and technology trends in the yacht industry. If you weren't able to make it to the event this past April, we've developed a convenient webcast program for you to get the information you need to stay current on these cutting-edge trends. Simply log on to www.fyba.org/videos and view any or all of the individual segments that are of interest to you. And thank you for being a member of the Florida Yacht Brokers Association.